Hey, I'm gonna hold it back here, so I gotta be able to balance two things at once.
Oh, it's gonna be close.
You know yellowfin?
Yellowtail. Yeah, get him! Wreck his day. Nice and steady. Hustle and bustle. You got it? Nice and steady. Right
All right.
Right.
Gotta keep it up. Straight up.
Pull straight up.
Pull straight up all the way.
Pull straight up.
Yeah. See you keep it. Heavy 12 inches.
Oh man, he's so close.
Turn around, Justin. That looks like it's a snapper still, though, right?
Yep, it's a mangrove.
You gotta catch something different.
I got something different.
Check that one out. That one might be a keeper.
No, I'm definitely, he's gonna be close.
Pliers?
No, I'm good. They just, once you get the hook out, they decide to chomp down on it. Here you go. They decide to chomp down.
Where's John?
He's legal!
Yay!
We caught something to eat!
My man.
We got food! Steven, are you gonna
We're not gonna starve.
What?
Are you not using the phone?
Not right
You
now.
won't have to eat chicken tonight.
You want to use that?
Yeah. You might take this one right over there. I don't care. Let me see it.
Sweet, he got his two
Really small guy.
He's got his two species. This means he gets
Yes.
his nature mare back. Justin, get by it. Take a smile. Yay.
Yes!
And it's so much better than the minnow that Dad caught.
We'll let him go.
Alright. You gotta let him go?
Yeah, he's a little too